We keep hearing news stories of people dealing with the unexpected after Hurricane Irma, including this massive tree behind me, which fell onto a home in Groveland.
The home and a car just absolutely squashed. Tree removal companies either said they could not clear it or needed thousands of dollars to pull it off. It'll need a crane to get this tree off of here. Channel 9's Lauren SEABROOK talked to the family today. Lauren, this cleanup job is truly daunting.
Yeah, Greg, this family says this tree is more than 100 years old, and that's easy to believe when you consider the size of it. I mean, check this out. These roots on this tree just tower over the top of me. And this is actually concrete right here down on the root base where it has grown into the driveway. But let's duck under here. I want to show you what it looks like on the other side and just how far these branches go. That's a Chevy Tahoe right there it's crushing, and it's also on top of this house where 6 people are living. An organization called Faith Neighborhood Center has been trying to work with this family, but they called us when it seemed like no one else could help. The Howards had only a few seconds heads up. The crushing sounds of branches and shattering glass signaled that a permanent fixture in their front yard was taking out their house.
I just need to wake up from this bad dream.
It was in the middle of Hurricane Irma that Trinity's husband began sounding the alarm.
He just screamed and woke everybody in the house up.
Unbelievably, none of the massive branches injured the 6 people inside, and they've all continued to live here ever since amid the mess and without power.
If it gets windy and you hear things shifting, and it's just like, okay, guys, let's go outside or go to this side of the house.
Disaster cleanup crews either haven't had the right equipment or gave estimates that climbed near $10,000. Trinity says she doesn't have the money, so she spent hours on the phone holding for FEMA.
Just to say, well, they will contact us with an inspection date, which hasn't happened yet.
The tree is wedged in place for now while Trinity tries to keep it all together for her children.
They're my rocks. They're the ones that, they keep me going. They keep me sane because, like, when they're not here, I fall apart.
So we called the owner of Sun State Tree Service to see if he could help. And then this happened.
We're going to go ahead and remove this tree at no charge for you all. Okay? All right? Get this thing out by the road. Yeah, that's fun. That's fun. Get some normalcy back in y'all's lives and it's starting to heal. All right? Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Oh, my God. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart.
Just an incredible moment to witness. The crews will be out here first thing tomorrow morning, and they tell me it should only take about 3 hours to get all of this cleaned up. Greg?
Just an amazing gesture there. Lauren, what's next for this family after the tree is removed?
Well, Greg, they're not going to really know the full extent of the damage until they get the tree out of here, but they're obviously going to have massive holes in their house to be fixed. They said the tree actually ripped their power box off the house, so they're going to have a lot of electrical work. So it's going to take quite some time until this family gets back to normal, and they're going to need all the help they can get. Reporting live in Groveland, Lauren SEABROOK, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.